welcome to Forkin Delicious. My name is JJ Healy.
I'm Shauna.
And we're doing another one of our budget-friendly gold star recipes. And this one is a trifle. So, kind of very appropriate coming up to Christmas time or whenever you see this video. All right? So, what I would say to you is that we've taken some of these little sponge fingers and we're going to soak them here. We have some Lime Coca Cola. Well, Lime Pepsi, sorry, not Coca Cola. Lime Pepsi. And we have some lime jelly. So we've mixed the two of these together, melted the jelly. We have some, this is from our youth now, where we were thinking back and saying, oh my God, I used to love that. This is Angel's Delight, all right, strawberry. And over here we have Birdstream topping, all right? So that's really delicious as well. But these are all from when we were young. So way before Shauna's time. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip the sponge fingers in here. And I'm going to be using all this anyway. I'm going to pour this in. And it's going to set it later on. So, not too long or else they'll just drop off in there. So you're kind of doing them fairly quickly. A couple down along the side here. Just to be the little fillers. 2 maybe. That's the way to do it. Looking good. Now I'm going to take some of this and just kind of pour it over to fill the gaps. Let it soak in a small bit. And hopefully this will set. And then what we're going to do here is we have this lovely Angel's Delight strawberry flavour. So just whip this up with you according to the instructions with the milk. And you can allow it to set. Again, I'm not going to. So I want one more layer of the biscuits in here if I can get them in. Just want to soak these again. And this time, just to make the structure solid, like as if we're building, we'll go at this side and then we'll put the other ones down along that side. This lime and Coca-Cola mix smells delicious. And one more. There we go. I'm just going to put another little bit of this jelly here. And I reckon it'll stay on top of the angels. And I'm just going to have a look now at my Bird's Dream topping. Oh, it's creamy. It's creamy. So, now, I have a small bit of that left. So, I'm going to make a bonus little dessert. So, if you have a little bit of this left over, this is our trifle here. Lime Coca Cola Trifle with Angel's Delight. And since we're going to have Angel's Delight and all that stuff here, we might as well put a little sprinkle on it. Oh, I'm nearly crying. It's Christmas. Feels like Christmas. Now, there you go. Put a little sprinkle them in the glass as well. There we go. Now, that has to go into the fridge to set now for a while. And if you liked what we done there, and that's really quick, I mean, it's a lovely one maybe for Christmas. You could try it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to see us make something, let us know in the comments. All right. Bye-bye.